Exercise 5.2. Fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A is the first term, D the common difference, and AN the n term of the AP. Example first. A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, AN is equal to question mark. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to A7 plus N8 minus 1 into D3. AN is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into 3. AN is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21. AN is equal to 7 plus 21, 28. Example second, A is equal to minus 18, N is equal to 10, AN is equal to 0, D is equal to question mark. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN 0 is equal to A minus 18 plus N 10 minus 1 into D. 0 transfer minus 18, we get plus 18 is equal to 10 minus 1, 9 into D. 18 transfer multiple 9, we get divide 9 is equal to D. 9 1s are 9 2s are. D is equal to 2. D is equal to minus 3. N is equal to 18. AN is equal to minus 5. A is equal to question mark. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN minus 5 is equal to A plus N is 18 minus 1 into D is minus 3. Minus pi is equal to A plus 18 minus 1, 17 into minus 3. Minus pi is equal to A. 17 into minus 3 minus 51. Transfer minus 51, we get plus 51. Minus pi is equal to A. Subtraction 46 is equal to A. Example 4. A is equal to minus 18.9. D is equal to 2.5. AN is equal to 3.6. N is equal to question mark. Formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 3.6 is equal to A minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 into D is 2.5. 3.6 transfer minus 18.9, we get plus 18.9 is equal to N minus 1 into 2.5. Addition 22.5 is equal to N minus 1 into 2.5. 22.5 transfer multiple 2.5, we get divisible 2.5 is equal to N minus 1. 2.5 1s are 2.5 9s are 22.5. 9 is equal to N minus 1. 9 transfer minus 1, we get plus 1 is equal to N. 9 plus 1, 10 is equal to N. Example 5. A is equal to 3.5, D is equal to 0, N is equal to 105, AN is equal to question mark. Formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to A 3.5 plus N is 105 minus 1 into D 0 is equal to 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 104 into 0 is equal to 3.5 plus 104 into 0 product 0 is equal to addition 3.5